Ten of Wands, oppression. The Ten of Wands are standing for suppression and restriction, showing the fire on the grounds of the earth, where they cause an uncontrolled, destructive burning. The Lord of Oppression can be a tricky influence, because it indicates blocked energy and thwarted will. Both of these can work against us in our lives, causing frustration and confusion. Very often the reason that this situation arises is because we are unable to clearly communicate our feelings on a given topic, to somebody who has strong influence over our lives. We repress our inmost needs and, instead, present a bland and safe mask to the outside world. On a day ruled by this card, there are certain processes you need to go through in order to work out what the problem is. First of all, consider whether this is a fleeting effect which will pass tomorrow or the next day. If so, then the chances are that regular use of the affirmation will clear your path. However, if you find that you've been feeling a bit frustrated for a while, today is the day to get to grips with that. Isolate the things that you really wish you could tell people around you who matter. Then consider why you might not be speaking your mind. There can be many reasons for this, some of them are useful and others damaging. Work out whether your silence is serving you well or ill. For instance, it's not usually a very good idea to tell your boss that some of his habits drive you insane with frustration. If you discover that you do have unexpressed feelings in a situation where it would not be wise to express yourself out loud, then write everything down and then vent your annoyance by ripping the paper up into several tiny pieces. Don't go directing it at the person, just at the habit, action or event. That should get some of your irritation out of your system. If you cannot express your feelings because you're prevented by circumstance, you are out of touch with the person concerned, you're angry and frustrated about a world event, there seems to be no possible route to the people you need to talk to, the paper trick could work well again. Or alternatively, visualize the person/people you need to speak with, and then tell them exactly how you feel. This act can have a quirky effect in that it often produces a response from the person on the other side of the discussion.